Good afternoon, everyone. It's Tuesday afternoon, and here's a quick little couple-minute weather update for you. 21 News tonight at 6 and 11 will feature my 7-day forecast and all sorts of other interesting stuff, including more chances for rain later this week and some good news for the weekend. But let's focus on the near term in this short video. We have kind of variable amounts of clouds across our valley right now down in Columbiana on the traffic circle. Some puffy fair weather clouds head of a cold front, trying to squeeze out a sprinkle here and there. I'll show you the radar in just a second. We've got a mix of sun and clouds up in Niles at the Eastwood Mall, and it is dry up there. Now, we've got a whopper of a cold front just off to our north. We're in the 70s in most of Mahoning County. Then you start falling back through the 60s from I-80 on north, and then once you go up towards Ashtabula and over towards Erie and over towards the Cleveland area, kind of the I-90 corridor, it's in the 40s this afternoon. So there's a 30-degree temperature change on either side of this front, and this front is going to sag to the south. For a lot of us, particularly if you live north of, say, Route 224, it's about as warm as it's going to get for the rest of the day. Temperatures will start dropping. If you live south of 224, you've still got an opportunity to warm up another couple of degrees before the afternoon is through. Here's a look at the radar across the region. We do have a couple of showers and even some thunder trying to form, as expected, down closer to I-70. In our viewing area, we had a sprinkle or two earlier on around Sharon, but there's not much going on now. Our cold front continues to sink off to the south. Oh, it's actually a cold front, not a warm front, but you get the idea. Cold front sinking to the south, and I can't totally rule out a quick sprinkle or passing shower, mostly south of Route 224 over the next hour. Could be some heavy thunderstorms south of I-70, especially once you get over into southeast PA and into New Jersey and down towards the nation's capital. But of course, all eyes are in the middle of the country today. Big ticket severe weather outbreak, pretty likely. Now, this might not produce a ton of tornadoes, but there will be some, and I think there's going to be a lot of problems with hail out here across Kansas, into Nebraska, down into the heart of Oklahoma, and into the Dallas-Fort Worth metroplex as well. Here's a look at the high-res Futurecast model showing us how this will evolve. Again, this doesn't impact our area, but it is interesting nonetheless. Things will initiate here before the afternoon is through along the dry line out in western parts of Oklahoma and Kansas. And then, boy, things will just go to town as we go through the rest of the evening and into the overnight. It's definitely a life-threatening situation out there. All right, on weather for Weather Geeks this evening, that's my extended weather video. We're going to talk about the long range quite a bit because it is kind of interesting as we head into May, how things should evolve. And we'll also hone in on the next chance for some rain. That's tomorrow night and heading into Thursday. In the meantime, have a great rest of this Tuesday. I'll see you tonight on the news.